Hey guys, and welcome back and happy summer. So today's video I'm going to be putting up this 24 by 52 Intex swimming pool. Alright, so right here we have our swimming pool. Before we start off, it is recommended just to put the top panels up first before you put the legs, because if you put the legs up first, it makes it much impossible to lock the top rail at the top. So this is my 24 by 52 Intex swimming pool. So we just moved it from my other location to this location. So once you've had this liner before, you can put the legs up like I do. But if this is your brand new liner or your brand new pool, I would definitely recommend putting up the top rails first and the T-joints, because if you put the legs up with it, it does not give you enough room to stretch it out to lock the last arm rail and the T-joint. So what I'm going to do is, because I've already used this, I've already put up the rails as well as the feet. Once you get your rails up and your feet, I recommend putting your feet facing out so the pool doesn't fall inwards. It's better outwards. So you can see where my pool is, I have it kind of leaning toward the outside so it doesn't fall on the inside. It is super easy to put up as long as you put the railings up first with the T-joints, and then you go ahead and put your legs up. That should be super easy. If you do it the other way, it makes it a lot harder because there is no room to put up the T-joints and the arm rails. So the T-joints are the ones that go from one arm rail to the other arm rail to the feet. So this one here, I'm got it halfway done. I just got the other half to do. And then once I finish that, I'll go ahead and flatten out the bottom of the liner so there is no ripples in the bottom of the liner. So when you fill up the water, it doesn't have those ripples, because once you put water in there, you cannot remove those ripples on the bottom. So now I got most of it up and I have only the T-joint. This is where, if you've had a liner before and you can't get it up, it's because it does not fit. You have to stretch it out and you don't have any more room, basically because the legs take up the room. So put the top part up first with the T-joints and then do the legs last, or you will not be able to put up that one part here at the end, which is the last one. This is a super really nice pool. This is the Ultra Extra frame, so this one has a thicker liner. So now I'm just going to put up the last one and add water. So I put up the last one, I put the ladder in, I add some water. We did have a little storm, so we got a little bit of dirt in here and we're just waiting for it to fill up. It does usually take about 2.5 days depending on your water pressure. With my water pressure here, because it's being used by a lot of my neighbors, it took me about 3.5 days, and as long as my kid don't turn off the water at nighttime, it should fill up really nice. It's really nice and sunny. So I'm going to come back when it's completely full. So right here it is completely full. I have my filter connected to it and everything. I have this wire that's going right here that is of my pool lights. This is a very nice pool. If you're looking for a nice pool with really good quality liner, I would highly recommend checking this one out. This one is a fabulous one. I've had this for several years and you can see it looks like it's new.